everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to change language of your Hamster Kombat account. To change language on your Hamster Kombat account, first of all launch open Telegram application. From the chat page of Telegram, go ahead and open up your Hamster Kombat bot. Tap the play button at the bottom left and load up the Hamster Kombat bot on your mobile device. Once you're inside the main homepage for Hamster Kombat, you'll now need to go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu from where you'll need to tap on select language. Choose the language you want to change to from the list, and then you will be able to change the language setting for your Hamster Kombat account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.